At Liner Pro of Memphis, we understand that the reason you have a pool is so you can relax. So relax and let us take care of repairs, maintenance, liner issues, and opening and closing your pool. Call 901-896-5774. We'll help your pool provide years of enjoyment with heater service and maintenance, cover installation, even pump and pressure tests. Call 901-896-5774. Liner Pro of Memphis proudly serves pool owners in Memphis, Collierville, Germantown, Arlington, Cordova, and Lakeland. Call 901-896-5774. Liner Pro of Memphis.